Welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Windows 11 with your product key. So if you got an example, your Windows 11 product key, here's how to activate it into your system properly. So first, you'll need to go and open your settings. You can either do that using the Windows key and I on your keyboard, or simply go and hit the start and simply look for settings. Of course, if you didn't find it like here, you should find this right here. Just go and open the settings however you want. Now, as an example, you'll have to go on this left panel and basically click on the system option. So once you click on the system, you'll have to go here and scroll down until you find this activation. Normally, once you click on it, you should find yourself right here. For me, as an example, it is already activated, as you can see. But for you, you'll be able to find, or for you, you may find, example, Windows is not activated. You're ready to enter your key. All you need to do in your settings on the activation, you'll have to go and click on change. And once you click on change, as you can see, they'll give you the option to enter your 25-character key. And basically, once you're done with that, once you enter it, just go and click on next. Then you'll find an activate button. Go and click on that. Once you do so, you'll have to wait for confirmation because Windows connects to the Microsoft servers and verify your key. And if it's valid, you will see Windows is activated and no watermark will be available anymore and no limitation as well. And of course, you'll have to keep in mind, if you already have, an example, Windows 10, and you have it, of course, activated, and you try to go to Windows 11, Windows 11 will be automatically activated even with your Windows 10 key. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.